How to change a tubeless mountain bike tyre. First, let all the air out of your old one. Push on the lower part of the tyre where it joins the rim. Push inwards there to pull the tyre away from the rim. And you will hear it pop. So continue to let that pop in the full way around. Once you've got one side, flip it around and do the same on the other. It's easier to come around and pull inwards like that. You can push all the rubber downwards towards the valve to create as much slack at the valve as you can. Then grab some tyre levers and slot it in close to the valve. Carefully put it in. Slide this tyre lever. You can then pop the tyre over the valve, pull upwards and out away. Now's a good time to check the rim tape. Always triple check, got the tyre the right way. We have a rotation arrow going this way. But another way to know this is by looking at the knobs on the tyre. So on any of these knobs, the down ramp is going forwards. Drop the rim inside the tyre, pull the rim up into the tyre and begin helping one side of the tyre onto the rim. And then start seating the other side. Then rotate the tyre so the sealant goes into the fully seated part. You want to leave the part of the tyre at the valve at the very end. You can push the tyre in everywhere except for at the valve, because the valve is blocking the tyre. If you need to get more airflow in, or if your pump isn't good enough, you can remove the valve core and that will give you max airflow. Now are the sounds you want to hear. Small bit of brake cleaner. And it's good to go.